So how do you subscribe to the Apple Music on your Android phone? Let me explain the whole thing. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So some people might believe that since it's a Apple Music or service that it's not going to work on Androids, but it does. If you just look it up inside of the Play Store, you can find the Apple Music app. And when you download this app, you have to get inside and actually sign in with an Apple account. It's not going to be a problem if you have used an iPhone before. So if you have an iPhone by any chance, you can just go to your settings, and the account at the top is the Apple account, which you can assign into the Apple Music as well. So you have to just kind of go through that process, and then you will have the ability to browse the Apple Music. So you might see some of the regular sections similar to the iPhone's style, but obviously you're not going to be able to play anything because you have to have that subscription at first, and it's going to prompt you to do that in multiple different places. For example, even if you just try to play any music, it will give you the ability to just subscribe, so you can just tap that button and choose your plan. So you can proceed like that and pick from the available plans. It depends on your country and the region, right? But you can essentially go to all of the plans and pick either the individual or family or college or something, and you are basically going through the payments right here. And once you go through all of that, you will have the ability to just set up the payment method and essentially subscribe, so you will have access to that service. So that's how you can find it. It usually works well, but I believe the best use case is if you already have the Apple services and you also have one more Android device. But for sure, there are plenty of people using Apple Music even on Androids. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Just hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss future tutorials and similar videos to this one.